Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Last week we were in Ocherias, and tonight 4 more sounds compete right here in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, to show who is indeed made of more on tonight's episode of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Now it's a big year for Guinness Sounds of Greatness. It's number 11. How do you feel being a part of such a big clash?
Grateful. Grateful. I'm my first experience, so let's go do it.
What can we expect from Twin Tower Sound tonight?
3 or 4.
I know some are going to left people talking about this tomorrow. You know what I mean? I know some are getting some fans after this.
And what can we expect from Shadrach tonight?
Winnings, straight winnings. I'm making people in full joy themselves and say Shadrach, bad sound.
How does it feel to be a part of the 11th staging of Guinness Sounds of Greatness?
Well, it's a great feeling because we're not doing this for the money, but we're doing this for the love. So it's a great feeling.
You see them Guinness buckle here? We know go choose one of them. Any number with the under the buckle, then that they say you're gonna play. Choose a buckle now, everybody just choose a buckle. Yeah. What number are your buckle?
2 upon it.
2.
Number 3.
3. Twin Tower playing 3rd. What number you get? First. Shadrach playing 1st. What number you get?
4th.
Then the most. I'm gonna never know. You never have to tell nobody. Yeah, here. What number you get? After I'm done here, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, what number you get? Here, 4th.
The Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019 has 3 rounds each week. I'm going to be explaining to you each round, kicking things off with round 1. Now, round 1 is a juggling round. There are 4 sounds in the competition. Each sound gets a chance to juggle for 15 minutes each. Now, at the end of this round, no sound will be eliminated. Instead, they will gain points from this round. The judges will be judging this round based on their musical selection, their stage presence, and also the crowd engagement and the reaction from the crowd. So that is round 1. The points that they get from round 1 will determine how they will be placed in round 2. So I'll be back to tell you all about round 2, so keep it locked right here on TVJ. It is Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
St. Elizabeth, to the ready for the war! Somebody say war! 15 minutes starts for Shadrach! Guinness Sounds of Greatness!
The juggling round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We now introduce the juggling sound, the killing sound.
Kill them, Shadrach. Collect the cash.
Lebanon!
Shadrach.
St. Elizabeth, the fool no artist this. All who respect Magadan, put a 2 in her ear. Magadan, listen.
Shadrach is going to kill you.
Listen, Guinness. Rise the them in her ear. Rise the them in her ear. Rise the them in her ear.
A Shadrach sound a play.
Rise them.
That sound can kill we down there. You know the town
Level.
the ghetto.
All who are killing farmer now. Burning farmer. Burn them.
Me nah no change.
Some me grow, some me grow.
We no come below, some me
Level.
grow, some me grow.
Round us up. Over there, so. Round us up. Turn it up.
My ski, me boss me. Whenever
All bad people who come visit sound there, do so. Do so. Do so. Do so. Do so.
Yeah. Show me. Hey! Shot rock, bust the rifle, make the shot them go song. Them say fi turn it up, me turn it to one notch again. Me money enough, me girl them enough for the cover them. Me say Christmas, so
first round.
Let a friend someone say them much about them, but boy you know much about them. Them come out like that. Just wanna know when me have a knock, gang crocodile. Man a boss.
Watch out!
Make it light up your life like. When them a make that, man a make.
Watch out!
Go kill a 4-4, make you get bad. Bad man thing and you're talking. Action over motor. Just touchdown in the airport.
Just touched down in the G5.
Just touched down like NASA.
Stop it!
This guy is
yes,
straight up
now
in the paper.
Yes, now we are.
This year me, I know me, I know. This year me, I know me, I know.
Time! We're gonna introduce to you the song that goes by the name Black City.
Ha. Black City, you're the sound. Oh, run them a sound of the town.
Black City, put up your hand in our ear. Santil is the best artist. Santil is the best artist.
Smile and a twiggy. And I go like so everything tricky. Cause she got them heart. You know I hear them thoughts.
So high up on the moon. The DJ make your body move.
Tell them me bad anyway, but uptown on my own. Rise like a eagle a fly down, the devil in my run. Within a face boy, the rain a jump to. Put more of the hospital, we make big man scream like. Police can't lock me up like man. Head we hold me like a
Shot! Juggling road now. Black kids on a real bad. Juggling road. Put up your hand in the ear. Show the one you can shoot it.
It's all of the general and the young general massacre. With them too fat, we buy them from Jamaica straight back to Africa.
Get the far right.
General, the thing on normal. Links everybody, one of them loyal.
We bust it then.
Behave yourself, yeah.
Oh my, that's up. What I know about Butless? Got it to the ear when you all are knocking out.
Team on the chopper. Circle events, everybody flatter.
Good.
Mad 90 bus
We don't really come up.
My brain fly like a buckle scupper. And all them at cut you load from in on the dance. Think like Ali get up on. The scheme hot today we are the weatherman. A boy full of chat, some ya fi send a man.
Some sound boy yam from hard, them bird like Ash and Khan. Dead like dog.
Them dog boy.
When the bad man you come a road, in your hands.
I love it.
Bust out.
Get the fire, you fuck me again tonight. Represent, you all left it up.
Black City sound.
Bad we bad Gaza, bad we bad. Bad we bad Gaza, bad we bad. Bad we bad Gaza, bad we bad. Black food,
we a real bad man.
Them a camouflage. Have you ever see a shadow dog?
Bad man will not take this in a face. We not set in a gap.
Alright, I'm playing a more song. Now it's time for Twin Tower. Now what's your name?
Eternal Father, bless our land.
Medication, your medication makes me high. Just be patient, like a patient trying to find levitation.
If you love real reggae music, start wherever that is. We are so. Ready now.
The medication
now what your
makes
name?
me high.
Such a short way up and such a long way down.
Level.
Lordy, now join no party. Look what the politician them do to Claudy. Look what the politician them do to Jill.
Level.
Trying them into my sound, mash them up, oh. Crush them tasteless, man.
You see the sound here? Maybe tell about the sound here.
Lord. Them can't play like a yo. And them a run them out and a stroke.
Level.
Me own alien, na me own alien, so the boy can't style me.
You think of that?
Na me own alien, yeah.
Let me tell about my friend them now. Listen.
Me no frightened feelings, now start to me thing. I mean not just some boy. I'm rolling, we not feel. Tell them we not fail.
Watch it out!
We got jail. Pop skull now be no jailer.
Love
no me a child and everything.
Sing the part now.
You are my light in the darkest time. Me get to fight some of the hardest time. Me feel the pain and go like all is fine. Me say this near to no man now.
Twin tower sound up with a rifle pop full of shots on the chat.
What the man never say can defend yourself?
Twin tower
God
sound.
finger, God finger. God finger. Bust up. And we just go. Bust up. Listen to him now.
We say we go. And with the finger on the chicken.
We don't care.
If we mama now going on nowhere.
Listen.
Doing it up and she out there. Doing it with no.
All of you man them now. Follow instruction. Right. Hey.
Alright then. And this is your main verse. So me step up on the floor.
Let the man not stay straight now. Start up. If you don't stay straight, start up. Start up. What's the dance now?
One leap of dub in our box, enough tune for play. Son boy a ball for mercy. When the war
level.
Twin
people realize I just 245 alone me play. All of me play a good song. Put the hand in there, so. Now this song, ladies and gentlemen, people, is ready right now. King Tafari.
When I see my friends turn enemy, I ask to fight. Nothing no fire.
Alright. A bad man song to play. How much start me come from? You feel like me a idiot boy? Saint Elizabeth, Balaclava, Upper Slide, Donna Boya.
Rise up, Unu Gun and Tafari, son a champion.
Shot! Shot! All out Jamaica! All out Jamaica! Go so!
Them try to bring some we can't fly. But when we there, yeah, nice like Jamaica.
Go so! They're dumping them, man. I idiot them.
The promised land.
Shut up! Me a show no son, man. Me a show no son, man.
I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look good to me. People showing fake love.
Juggling roll, man. Juggling roll. Juggling roll.
Catch up. I think I'm big meat.
What?
Me on the toll alone, I lock the road. Lyrics by the factory load.
Guess what? Guess what? Guinness!
Tell them move and go. Let me bucket tell.
Everyone take out the boat. Let that thing. I want that boy. I want that boy. Dog.
Keep it real and sell out my place. Boss rich bum boy, no not my make them vex. Two me no make friend of money me make. Gone uptown with a little knee preps. One belly the division.
Shut up!
Not nice. He boy run like a wounded dog.
How they?
Broke you see and record.
How them?
Shut up. Boy like me not mad. No. Me not mad over no.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Yeah, easy.
Everybody will love Guinness, go so. Go so. Everybody will love Guinness, go so.
Yeah, blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full.
This a big Guinness clash. Come witness 3 sound dying. Kill Shadrach, Black City, and murder Queen Power. Cause that sound killing thing now. Cause I lived up the sound playing. So this is my God and it's singing. 3 sound to be dying. King Tafari.
So I'm gonna go to the judges them right now. We're starting with Bishop Escobar. What go on in that juggling round?
It's very obvious. 2 of the sounds, them as I said earlier, play like round robin. But yeah, we need the next sound them to turn up the thing, alright?
That nice! What you talking about the juggling round, sir?
Alright, here we go on.
Yeah.
Shadrach, you don't do nothing wrong. Black City now, when Black City play, we just check couple message and couple things. Kind of boring, you see it? Twin Tower, little bit better. But King Tafari, good round.
But now lie, everybody see it. Say it's a 2 sound. When in there, King Tafari sound. them forward and burn down the place.
All right. So now hear from the judges then.
The clash is underway and going wonderfully so far here in St. Elizabeth. And the man of the hour who made all of this possible is here with me right now. He is the brand manager for Guinness, Mr. Nathan Nelms. Hi, Nathan.
I am here with the woman of the hour. Yeah, it's great to see you here.
Great to see you here too. How are you doing?
I am doing pretty good. Like, this is what it's all about, right? I mean, we're here in Santa Cruz. Everybody came out. Last week, we were in Ocho Rios. That was a surprise, actually, for the first time we kicked off in this 29 series. To see so many people come out, it was a really awesome experience. It's really just showing that the real dancehall culture is still alive and kicking here in Jamaica.
Now, as the weeks go on, what can we expect from the brand?
As the weeks go on, we're going all across Jamaica. I mean, that's what's different about this clash this year, right? So last year we had 5 clashes. This year we're going to 7. And we're going all different locations. Like in St. Anne, we went to Alexandria last year. We're going to Ocho Rios this year. Last year we went to Junction. This year we're going to Santa Cruz. I mean, we're going different places so different persons can enjoy the real clash culture and the real clash vibe. And just bringing that real dancehall vibe back to the people and letting them enjoy themselves. You're going to see tonight that we're going to give away a TV to somebody in the crowd just for actually enjoying Guinness. Do you remember those times when people used to come to a dance and they can leave with something like a fridge, a stove, and so on? Yeah, man, we're bringing that back right here. And then, of course, for the finals, we're going to have something very special in store. So everybody, you guys need to come out to 214 Spanish Town Road on June 28th. It's going to be special.
Now, we know that the patrons will get the fridge and the stove and all that excitement, but we have 24 sounds in this competition. What are they vying for?
Of course, they're vying for a big prize, a big cash prize of $1.5 million in cash. But that's just the start of it, right? We're actually giving them the bragging rights of who run the streets. Nobody can talk to them. They're going to have the big championship belt, which is actually going to be showcased here tonight. They're going to also be able to be Guinness brand ambassadors for the entire year. And as I mentioned, there's something big that will be announced at the finals. They don't even know about it yet. So trust me, everybody, come out. It's going to be cool.
I'm going to try and guess. How big is it?
How big is Guinness?
Guinness is pretty big, so we can expect something huge at the finals. Thank you so much, Nathan Nelms, our brand manager for Guinness, giving us a 411 on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
As the clash continues here on Guinness Sounds of Greatness, we are now at round 2. So let me explain that round for you. Remember, at the end of round 1, everyone got scores. No one was eliminated. Now, based on those scores, the sound with the highest score and the sound with the least highest score, they will go up against each other. So it is a ranking that is happening. So sound 1 versus sound 4 and sound 2 versus sound 3. This is a challenge round. Now, the challenge is, of course, a challenge which was only given to the sounds as they got here tonight. So no one knew the challenge before tonight. So as soon as they got here and were prepping, then they got their challenge. So it's really going to be a challenge tonight. So that's round 2. Keep it locked right here on Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
In 4th position is Black City with 30 points. In 3rd position is Twin Tower with 56. In 2nd position, King Tafari with 85 points. So winning the first round with 87 points, it's Shadrach. So you want me to know? Shadrach will play Black City as Group A, and their challenge is to play 90s collaborations. King Tafari play Twin Towers Group B, and their challenge is to play 90s hip-hop collaboration. Start it, steady.
The challenge round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Drop the one that Tyrese.
Hey! Yeah, you. Try to test, eh?
21, that was the number. We give Indian chief as I see they ride.
All who can't defend themselves, take out the light and touch him. Take out the light and touch him. Turn it up. Watch the people there. Make it play. When I wickedest thing in a life is when you get born and you don't know about it. And then all of your friends them know and I laugh after you. When they see you, them a pint out your past street and I laugh.
None of mercy, none of mercy, none of mercy.
Oh, woman, I heard a little rumor last night.
Little rumor last night.
Rumor last night.
Somebody told me you ain't doing me right.
She wasn't doing me right, she wasn't doing me right.
While I've been turning my back, you've been not playing the field.
She just playing the field. Watch out.
Dangerously.
We're about to kill.
Too dangerous for me.
You're leaving.
Dangerously.
Watch out.
Is it me about rent and leaving?
Watch out. Watch out now. Cruz, we are Cruz. Cruz, we are Cruz. Level down. The girl them for you know say you get your money. Put up your hand in her ear. Put up your hand them. Level. And the man them for you know say you take care of your girl too. Everybody wave your hand in her ear. Everybody know. Everybody know. Everybody know.
Come now. I ain't gonna do me. I ain't gonna do me. I ain't
Cut. Santa Cruz. 90s song. Shorty. My first song.
No weapon that rise against I shall prosper.
We're sending at the to the pen. We're painting at the men. Keep replaying at the people will you tell. Listen to my blend.
Tell you come again.
Fake. They can never be my friend. Backstabbing fool like this is you comprehend. We're making crazy money.
Shorty level.
Our sound boy out in your funeral. This is our
Me and look over there, so. Shadrach, I want you to remember the one here. See the youngest I never teach them music, you know.
Ring the alarm.
Shadrach sound is dying.
Ring the alarm.
Shorty sound.
Think of musical beats, girl.
But the killer run in 90s. All the really young God put up your hand in the air. Oh, what that's on you.
Them come offend me when them know them shouldn't try. Needless to give me no excuse, me not take all the buy. Boy, you look like I fly.
Needless to say no more, somebody.
Boss, me see you no more.
Say that again, no.
Boss, me see you no more.
Say that again.
Boss, me see you no. Boss,
Shorty,
me
you
see you.
feel like that's what it's all there.
No other word, we not go no further. Bad man, now talk from your
What a level.
Another
Me come and don't clash tonight. Me are looking at the crowd. All who come from Santa Cruz, put up your right hand in her ear. All of the St. Elizabeth people, you put up your hand in her ear. All who want the crowd left in her, put up your hand in her ear.
All the big belly gargan talking, every day don't skylarking, come for walking out the park. Hear what the man say move, when the man say move, when the man says move. No way fairer than no other girl in each and every time. You know worry about the deputy DJ them, and you know that they all of them a clown and them no worry. Them no worry.
Shut up, me last song. See the challenge round here.
Pull up the vibes that you play.
Black City.
Can you play some more?
Oh,
Can you play some more? Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again. Can you play some more?
Mister, you're able to give me this. Give me this, go. We don't need us all. Well,
Judges, who win around Shadrach, Black City?
Black City, one of the songs them where you play on a collab here.
One.
So the one of them where you play a medley. Straight. The other two of them, we know them. Just calm down and make them slide, yeah. So you know it go. Couple I sang them, I just some medley, I never really no collab. You see me? So, shout out McGee round.
When me I go say, yeah, how everybody I say. So, Shadrach win that round by unanimous decision. We have on stage, King Tafari, Twin Tower.
Everybody must go to school, so you must bright. See the first dunce gone while I'm yard already. Call Bright Light. You notice him dressing in funeral suit from early. So him know him that go dead. So him put on him suit. I just show me left the casket car Bright Light did busy and couldn't carry the earth. Let me start it that way, because I born in the 80s, I never born in the 90s. So me know a 90s song. All I want somebody when they don't call when you miss. Put up every gun on in here now. Every gun on in here. Not nice, you alright, my brother? You alright?
Seems like yesterday
we used to listen.
Laced the track, you locked the flow.
Oh, you want me come? I want me come.
Notorious, they got to know that. It's been a long time.
Real life, me, I'm telling you more. Level, Santa Cruz, all I who say son for them. Maybe you understand them. God on
This is what makes me. This is what I am.
Listen.
You can hate me now. You.
Hey, we are Palimonti. We are Palimonti. We are. Aye. Ah. What's 90s juggling? Collaboration.
Thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop.
Kill the club, big kill.
Thought I told you that we won't stop.
Kill the club, big kill now. All out say son for dead. Me want hear now again. Say dead.
I saw these fools try to get around, trying to let me down and all that. But I got an easier way.
What am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do now?
Helping on the little soul against the killer on you. Me shoot them like Al Capone with guns on.
What am I gonna do?
All who are here 90s bad song now, say bam bam. Play it.
Still Snoop Dogg and D.I.
Listen. Awesome. Baba Yasso.
Still doing that.
Everybody over Yasso now. Up there.
Yeah.
Basso.
Check me out.
St. Elizabeth. Basso.
Now tell me who on the with us. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Bang, and let your brains.
I'm Michelle.
All the label to riches and carry up in the hosiery.
All right. Listen. Listen.
Now, what y'all wanna do? Wanna be ballers, shot callers.
St. Elizabeth.
Who be dipping in the bins with the spoilers? On the low from the J.
People.
Trying to get my hands on some grants like Horace. Yeah,
I say all over my mission now. Put the finger in the ear, so. All over my mission. Go, so. Go, so.
Everything's real in the field.
Listen. St. Elizabeth. Back me tell you now. I'm Michelle. What the man never love woman now? Gasso. Hey, I'm Michelle.
Our patrons are here having a wonderful time, and we have to ask them how they feel about what's going on tonight. What you think of the challenge round that you just saw in Group B?
The challenge round, Batman, the challenge round, wicked. King Tafari take it thing all the way, you know what I mean?
Out of 10, what would you give each sound that just played?
About 8.
For each of them?
Yeah.
All right. Now, what's the biggest song you think them play a while ago?
To me, the Bounty collab.
You're a Bounty fan, you know?
Not really, but...
Nothing wrong with that, you know?
Yeah, but him good. Him alright. Yeah, I like Bounty.
So the Bounty was the biggest song?
Yes.
All right, so far so good. Still here in St. Elizabeth, Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
That round there, another good round. Yeah. Yeah, King Tafari, great round. Them kind of bridge the gap between hip-hop and dancehall by playing some good collaborations between, you know, dancehall and hip-hop artists.
Twin Tower, me not because you live a foreign, you fully Americanized. So, me dey think you need to put a little more grabbing at the round, but me not say nothing either.
All right. Twin Tower, gonna play some really nice song in a real life. But you see how King Tafari forward and play, the crowd tell it all in a real life. So, authorize a need for 7 up more. The crowd at work.
If a King Tafari will make some nice and high complex plays, as we authorize the crowd at work.
That was a very challenging round and only 2 sounds have emerged. It is King Tafari and Shadrach, and they will be facing each other in the dub for dub round when we return right here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit @Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Welcome back. If you're just joining us, then you are just in time for round 3, the dub for dub round, which is between Shadrach and King Tafari. So I'm already excited. So let's take things to center stage. It's the Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019.
You'll understand that there are 3 rounds in this clash series. We have the juggling round, followed by the challenge round, and of course the ultimate round that will definitely decide who walks away with tonight's crown, the dub for dub round.
We've made it all the way to round number 3. So let me explain round 3 for you. Round 3 is a dub for dub. At the end of round 2, the challenge round, 2 sounds were eliminated. Remember, it was sound 1 versus 4 and 2 versus 3. 1 sound from each group made it to this round, round 3, dub for dub. In the dub for dub round, each sound will play 7 dubs, and at the end of those 7 dubs each, we'll know who will be tonight's winner.
If you're ready, say war. Somebody say war. Ready to start the dub for dub round. Stay there.
Dub for dub begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I hear so it there now. The race is not for the swift, but who can endure. Everybody from Judgment Yard in here, me want to make some nice and bust some blank. Everybody from Santa Cruz, we come visit Sound Dead, make some noise in here. Anybody there from Slipe? Anybody there from Beersheba? Murder that up in there.
King Tafari, I kill them Sound Dead, in a big friend, murder Pinto, murder Black City, murder Shadrach, no. Boss out there, the big God, no. When a big friend, Santa Cruz, massive big, but don't know. Tell about Guinness Sound of Greatness.
Bad man, son, the play. Watch out, watch out, everybody was on that jump. Everybody was on that jump.
Then, a some big bad gun run out on them. A murder Pinto and Black City them. Shadrach get gunshot in them head back up.
It is a disgrace to Guinness clash. You come out with a free dub. Him come out with a free dub. When boss scheme, you is a disgrace.
Don't ramp with the country sound here. Drop it.
Yeah, man, tell them we're moving forward.
Turn it up.
Turn back. At the champion sound Shadrach, man. We tell Rodney style, you stay so.
Now ramp with the country sound here.
Manchester, the world works. Along with culture upon the champion sound
Never.
Shadrach.
What the country people them know? We have your answer. What country people them know? We have your answer. We have. Sit up.
What say? Shadrach, you've been through hills and valleys. And survive out on the old gangster.
I be a cutlass them use a country. Hey boy, me ever send you home, you can't this Rasta sound.
Yeah, man, to them say King Tafari, I say El Rastafari, say yo step it, shimpy. You
can't kill King Tafari tonight.
Junex are representing, yo, King
You
Tafari.
can't kill me son tonight.
Not in the dance that Chris against the ones of Babylon to escape the rod, King
You
Tafari.
can't kill me son tonight.
We shall burn them and burn them continuously for them to cease to oppress.
You can't kill me son.
Even King Tafari, a killer sound, no job.
Boom!
Jump and sound the full around entertainment and music business. Leave the session. Leave it up to the real Dan, the Shadrach sound. And all who test shall die into competition. I want to fear the boy no matter the region.
You know we are
Jump
playing
and praise the Rodney style. Member say business spoil. Because Shadrach rub them bunny like a butter iron.
Ah, look up in the class. Do so. Do so. Do so. You know we are ramping, boy.
Shadrach sound don't
be so.
Hey, Shadrach sound the water down. You come for killer jump.
Continue more. On the door stop more. Continue more. Come here, murder that up here tonight.
And I'm from no style boss, I'm represent for King
Yeah,
Tafari.
murder that up here tonight.
I protect myself. King Tafari sound don't.
You're playing with a selector. We're full of a class and style. Drop that tune there.
Young son boy, you're dead before you're born. We're not afraid of no monkey nor no clown. We are the body sound. I shall not come on it and all I want them.
How do I say I'm the molly? Top the sky. Top the sky.
You tell yourself, Brothers Valley massive, them digging at the place.
Top the sky.
Walk to them, man. Stop. You wrong fi come trouble the champion. Shadrach I go kill you. We did
hey,
boy. You wrong fi come trouble the number one. Shadrach I go kill you. Let me tell them. Let me say, come look up and full up and look up and full up and look up and full up and look up.
No son in the world, me no afraid of. You could have big like old Krogan. Hey boy, tonight are your burial night. Me a sell you up.
Lord of His mercy. Play Baba Great.
Send me a sell him up. Send me a sell him up. Santa Cruz, sell it.
Boy, you're dead, you want go then.
Yeah, follow me. Go on and see him rhythm. Or go on. From a little bit of grow, them say, follow fashion dog never drink good soup. Yeah, follow me. Follow the one you know.
It's a precious. It's a precious.
Follow this boy.
He's a precious, precious, precious.
Will.
People, when the God artist I had is a disgrace. You see you tonight. You see you tonight. Tonight you must dead. Julia Miles! Julia Miles!
You think of only vanity and no love for King Tafari shall fade away.
Julia Miles!
You know how long me I wait for you play that song there? You know how long? You know how long? Play the bigger one for that.
On the silent steps we're gonna murder you. In a mystic form we come to kill you too.
Put up your hand.
Shadrach will make
you wanna cry. We have the under
you
know
know dig a hole and hide.
Be careful. You know we are
Be careful. Shadrach gonna murder you.
Everybody like we have them in here. We have.
Kill them, kill them, kill them.
Him talk about me a follow him, me no follow no farmer meal. You could have bad like a Satan. Hey boy, you gone dead.
King Tafari! How them junkie and pagan them send for Parai! DJ Jungle Spangle Southside, Eastside, yo, Center, grab foot, well, King Tafari no pass when them a kill people.
You make Bounty Killer not sound good. Yeah, it's a disgrace. Boom!
Shadrack sound, the man called Rodney Style, I don't know, see?
We up!
Shadrack sound a play.
We have on them!
Run them away.
We up!
They believe they are tough. Some believe they are rough.
Will!
All who said a little idiot are dead, say dead! Well on, say Lord, I said dead! I want to ask him one question, police ever look for you yet, boy?
You know the root of the grass, you know. I don't know style boss I represent for King Tafari sound. Yeah. I will hear some little sound attack, you know. And I'm never kill a sound yet. You know why I gonna ask them sizzler? Sound boy, why you never kill a sound and I go on so? Me know say no up in a you.
Him ask me one question. Wanna want me ask him 100 question?
Hold it! You ever build a copper shot out of 1 cent? You know, say Rodney Style, them and the president make one pop out a bicycle bar.
Question!
I make a sound boy run
Question again!
You ever rub out a serial number? When you little make gun out a lumber? You ever hide gun with machine lube yet? Bury no gun in a car.
Question!
You ever bust a 550 or a Ruger? And pull Nelly and Drew.
You ask me one makes you 100.
Aye.
The dub for dub round was lit, and right now the judges are making their final decision, so we will know this week's winner when we come back right here in the final segment of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit @Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
If you are just tuning in, you're just in time to hear this week's winner of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. We take you right now to center stage where MC Badabling will do the honors.
Judges, starting with Not Nice. What go on, my brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good ball game. Of all I penalty them. King Tafari kick all of them over a crossbar. Shadrack, everything connect. Top corner, far post, everything in our net.
The minute you kick away first goal, it's hard to catch up. See? I don't know if Shadrack a countryman, him no put on a shoes, so a barefoot thing go. And the fans them me a work with. And fans, who no feel like win around here?
Ladies and gentlemen, people, tonight's winner, of course, congratulations to King Tafari. Good fight, big up yourself. But Shadrack takes this one in Santa Cruz. So, yo, lineman, lock up the light. Come here, do this from the heart. Yo, Shadrack. The brother, you be a call to the stage. From him little bun. I'm my artist. I'm an artist. LB, welcome. I miss that please, all me see a pagan, all me see a, but I know Jaja. Big up Not Nice, you know. You don't know your head strong, you know, my boss. Every day I know that Jah will guide in that nice way. So me know, defend them. Whoa. Any championship ones there tonight, I'm soon under the year, so. Okay. You can watch your friends and your smoke with them. Attempt if you got the shot. The only friend will be low, but the one never. Let me test them. I may say, careless father, where you do it for? Me see you run your little defense something.
We're here right now with this week's winner. It is week 2, Shadrach, who moves on to the finals to join DJ Naz, who's already advanced herself. Hi, Rodney, how are you?
I'm good.
How are you feeling?
Great.
How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
All right. Describe tonight for us in your own words.
Tonight was wonderful. And I came out confident, and I know that I would win. I'm sure that I would win.
Oh, you're sure? What do you think separated Shadrach from the rest of the competition tonight?
Focus.
Focus. What do you think?
Yeah, experience. Yeah, focus for real.
Because you told us about the experience at the beginning. Now, DJ Naz is already through. She won her first round. You've seen what she can do. Are you worried about her as you approach the finals? Because that's your next step.
No, we don't worry about no sounding in the finals, you know. Once we in the finals, we have to win.
Have to?
Have to.
That's a must.
Yeah, coming out confident and strong.
So we're going to share these winnings?
Yes.
We're going to share the winnings. They said we're going to share the winnings, but congrats again to Shadrach Sound, winning week number 2 here in St. Elizabeth. It's the Guinness Sounds of Greatness right here on TVJ. As good as everything was tonight, all good things must come to an end. Congratulations again to Shadrach Sound for winning this week. And remember, you can join us for week 3 in St. Mary at Gray's Inn on May 31st. And of course, catch all the week 3 highlights right here on TVJ next week, Saturday at 9:30 p.m. I must say a very big thank you to Loud Fashion for dressing me tonight, Taffy for my hair, and of course, Gina for my nails. It has been a wonderful week this week. It's the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Bless. Mwah.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.